Hello viewers, this is me Fasta Shokar and welcome to my channel Course Pro. Today we will be talking about a very important topic which is a scope of project management in UK. And the reason behind making this video is that I made one video about the scope of project management in UK in Urdu language. But many students from different corners of the world repeatedly requested me to make that video in English language. But the problem is that I could have done the subtitles of that video, but sometimes the subtitles are not very good reflection of what we are actually trying to say in that language. So I decided to express my opinion in English language, and this is my first video in English language, and let's see how it goes then. Let's get started. I will tell you about the scope of project management in the UK. So, first thing first is that I don't agree with the scope of project management in the UK because it has no scope. It has absolutely no scope for the fresh graduates, those who are going one after one to study scope of project management in the UK. I would like to tell them, congratulations, you have no scope. So the reason behind is that let me get these things very simple to you. There are about 150 universities in the UK, roughly, more or less. There could be more or less. But each and every university, to my knowledge, except the Oxford and Cambridge, obviously, they are offering that MSc Project Management course in the UK. And if I'm not wrong, most of the universities are offering, if not three, then definitely two intakes. And in all these intakes, they are offering project management, masters in project management. Now, if you calculate these things, I'm very poor in maths, but I'm sure you are good at maths. If you calculate this numbers of students, they are going to graduate next year, right? And you have to compete with the students who are not just graduating this year, but those who have done the project management in last couple of years or 5 years or 10 years. You have to compete them as well. So imagine the competition in the market. Imagine the number of graduates coming in this year or next year. You have to compete them, and for especially for international students, they have to achieve the tier 2 sponsorship as well. Imagine you have two kinds of competition in this field. You have to secure tier 2, so you have to compete the national students as well, and as well as you have to compete with the other international students who are also willing to achieve the tier 2 sponsorship from the different sponsors. So hundreds of students, not hundreds, actually thousands of students will be graduating after this intake of September, or like after 9 months, and thousands of students will be in the market and they will be searching for the job. And you imagine where you will be standing then. This was the first thing. Another thing is that up to my knowledge, there are no as such big projects are going to launched in the UK. They haven't announced anything big in UK. No Olympics, no kind of CPAC kind of thing, no road and bed kind of project is going to be launched in the UK. So what these all project managers are going to do? Okay, those who have our experience, about 10 or 5 years experience, they might survive, but I doubt that you will survive as a fresh graduate. That's why I'm discouraging each and every student to do the project management. Now what is happening is that this is just an overrated course. Not just overrated course, but I would say it's a well marketed course as well, because consultants around the world have marketed this course really well, because most of the students want, oh sorry, most of the consultants feel it very easy to enroll the student or push the student into that course, because admission in that course is very easy. Every student from different background, different educational background, or different professional background can enroll himself in this course. So what happening is that whoever has a weak academic background, most of the students unfortunately have weak academic background, the consultant pushing them to this course repeatedly, one after one, and students are going to UK without having the prior knowledge of UK's culture, UK's economic situation, UK's situation after post Brexit. So student must be aware of these nitty gritties, which I have explained in my video, which I have explained in my other video, which you can watch in Urdu language. But the problem is that my most of the followers cannot understand Urdu. Most of the South Indians, most of the Nigerians cannot understand the Urdu language. That's why I made the video in English language. This was my opinion. You can agree or disagree, but I have observed in from last couple of years since the pandemic that students are going for this course for absolutely no good reasons. So I've decided to warn the student, to alert the student that if you have chosen this course, project management in UK, it has absolutely no scope in UK. You can choose other courses which I can recommend you. You can choose data analytics, you can choose big data sciences, or anything related to save the data or to preserve the data has a good scope. Now, this kind of job category still falls in the shortage occupation list, so there is huge chances for you to get the tier two sponsorship easily. Now, the next course which I can recommend you is digital marketing, because in this course, in worst case scenario, if you're not able to get a job, if you're not able to get tied to sponsorship, you have to return back to your country. Even then, you have a good scope because that course makes you a self-employed as well. You don't have to look for a job or keep searching for a job which you are not able to get it. So that makes you a self-employed person. So digital marketing is always a good idea. Look at me, what I'm doing is also a part of digital marketing, and digital marketing is such a big market, has a great scope, because when you are on YouTube or social media, or when you are a blogger or something, your earning is very much better as compared to the salaried people who are just a fresh graduate and choose a salaried route for their career. I think digital marketer has a very good scope as compared to salaried people. So this was my opinion. I hope you liked it. If you have any question about scope of Project Name in UK, you can comment me, you can email me, you can Instagram me, you can follow me on Instagram as well. You can see the my Insta handler as well. So this video was all about scope of project management in UK. See you next time. If you have any question, don't forget to comment. As I said, and I'm always available. I try to respond the messages as soon as possible. I get them. See you in the later next in the video. Take care. Bye.